In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on full screen mode on the Chrome browser in just a few seconds. This is a really simple trick, but it can make browsing feel cleaner, remove distractions, and give you more room on your screen for videos, documents, websites, and online work. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, and that's the main Chrome menu. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. After the menu opens, look for the zoom row. This is where Chrome gives you options to zoom in, zoom out, and switch to full screen. On the far right side of that zoom row, you'll see the full screen icon. It usually looks like a hollow square box or a set of brackets. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you do, Chrome will expand into full screen mode and take over your screen. This is perfect when you want a more focused viewing experience or need extra space while working online. If you ever want to exit full screen, you can usually press the escape key on your keyboard or use the same menu option depending on your device. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned on full screen mode on the Chrome browser. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.